What if you find yourself in a situation where you must defend yourself against multiple attackers? This is one of the most dangerous and terrifying situations anyone can face. The first rule is simple. Always look for an escape route. Your best option is to avoid the fight entirely. However, let's be realistic. These situations are often pre-planned. If someone is provoking you or trying to corner you, it's likely they've already decided to make the odds against you. If there's any way to leave the situation peacefully, take it. But if you're trapped and it's clear that the people in front of you have harmful intentions and won't stop until they hurt you, the time for negotiation is over. Now, it's about survival. Let's get one thing straight. If you've never been in a fight or have no martial arts experience, fear is your biggest enemy. It can freeze you, cloud your mind, and weaken your body. Facing multiple opponents is not like a movie. It's chaotic, unpredictable, and dangerous. If you're out of shape or unprepared, your chances of survival drop even further. But there's hope. Martial arts, strategy, and physical fitness can tilt the odds in your favor. That's exactly what we'll be covering in this video. Practical tips and techniques you won't find in the usual self-defense videos. Before diving into techniques, let's talk about when survival becomes nearly impossible. The first is when your opponents outnumber you, and one or more of them are armed with a weapon like a knife or cutter. This is an extremely high-risk situation where bravery alone won't save you. The second is when the size and strength difference is too great. For example, if you weigh 60 kilograms and your opponents are all 90 to 100 kilograms, your strikes might not do much damage. That said, your chances in the second scenario are still better because skill and speed can make up for the size disadvantage. If your opponents are closer to your size or strength, your odds improve significantly. If you want to prepare for such situations, there are 3 martial arts I highly recommend for self-defense. First, boxing. Its focus on footwork, speed, and precision makes it incredibly effective against multiple attackers. I've already uploaded several videos about boxing fundamentals on this channel. Check those out for more details. Second, Jeet Kune Do. This martial art, developed by Bruce Lee, emphasizes simplicity and attacking over defending. In a life-or-death situation, that mindset can make all the difference. Third, Muay Thai. Known as the art of 8 limbs, it teaches you how to deliver devastating strikes using your fists, elbows, knees, and shins. The goal is to end the fight quickly, which is crucial when you're outnumbered. Martial arts alone won't save you if your body isn't in peak condition. Your physique plays a massive role in your ability to fight. Ideally, you want to maintain a lean, athletic build with 12 to 15% body fat. Too much fat will slow you down, while being underweight will limit your striking power. Endurance, agility, and strength are key. Incorporate running into your routine for stamina, and focus on bodyweight exercises like push-ups and pull-ups for strength. Flexibility is equally important. Without it, your kicks and movement will be restricted. A well-rounded fitness routine can mean the difference between surviving and losing. When you're in a fight, the last thing you want to do is attack recklessly. Strategy is everything. Use footwork to reposition yourself so that your opponents line up in a single file, reducing the number of people attacking you at once. Keep moving. Standing still will get you surrounded. If you know the attack is inevitable, strike first. This will put your opponents on the defensive and give you a psychological edge. Aim for vulnerable areas like the eyes, throat, jawline, or liver. A powerful strike to the chin can knock someone out, while attacks on other areas can cause serious pain or disorientation. However, you need to act responsibly. Only use force if it's absolutely necessary for your survival. Your mental state plays a huge role in how the fight unfolds. Stay calm, focused, and relaxed. Tension in your body will slow you down and reduce the power of your strikes. Fear is natural, but don't let it control you. Stick to short bursts of attacks, 2 or 3 punches at a time, and then move. Your goal is not to win the fight, but to create an escape route. Fighting multiple opponents is rarely about victory. It's about survival. To toughen your body, condition your knuckles and shins. Start with punching bags and gradually progress to harder surfaces for shin conditioning. Practice knuckle push-ups to strengthen your fists, but beginners should avoid advanced techniques to prevent injury. Build your durability and toughness over time. And don't forget nutrition. A protein-rich diet is essential for maintaining an athletic physique. Let me emphasize this once more. I'm not a certified trainer, and these tips are based on my personal experiences and learnings. Use them wisely and responsibly. Always remember, the smartest fight is the one you avoid. But if you're forced into a situation with no way out, these techniques can help you survive. That's all for today's video. If you've already subscribed, I'll see you again soon. If not, this might be our last meeting. Either way, stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, your safety always comes first.